back to Mini Cooks. Today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. So for this recipe, first you're going to have to put your oven or put your stove to medium heat. So let's just do that.
And this recipe does not call for milk.
Because instead of milk you use a lot of butter.
Yeah.
So we're just going to put this on medium heat. There we go. And so for this, you're going to be needing 2 eggs. I have 1 because I already have one in here. Don't know if you guys can see that. Focus. All right. And then you take your other egg, crack it, and you, oh, whoops. There we go. Put it in there. All right. So now we're just going to put some salt in there. So you guys can put this. We're using sea salt, but you can use any salt. Doesn't really matter. Then we're gonna put some pepper in there.
I recommend you guys use sea salt. It just tastes way better.
All right. So then we're gonna beat it. Oh, whoops! My butter fell. All right. So actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our butter in the frying pan. So just let that sizzle for a bit.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, you can put a bit of you can use a spatula to
just
move it around.
And make sure your pan gets buttery.
All right, so we'll just leave that there to, butter up. And we're gonna beat this. So take a fork and we're just gonna beat it up. And we'll just,
Make sure you guys beat it. That's a really important part.
Actually, what we're going to do is we're probably going to take this butter out because we don't need all of it. Actually, yeah, we're probably going to take this out.
You should.
Yeah, we'll just put it right there for now. All right, so we should probably pick that up, yeah.
You should probably just take it out before it fully melts because that would be bad.
And you can just put that back where you found it and just keep eating. So, alright, so it should look about like this. So we're just going to turn it a little lower because it's sputtering at me. And we're going to pour it in. So what you do is you just pour it in.
You guys have to be very careful when doing
Oh yeah, if you're a kid, make sure you have adult supervision. Like I have an adult with me. So then you're gonna wait a bit, and if you guys can see, that bit is a bit white. So when it's white, you want to take it with a spatula and put it in the middle. Maybe just move it around to all sides, and see, that bit is also white. So you move it into the middle. There we go. Now we wait a bit for more sides to get white. Right here, see? That is white. And it's a bit white at the edges. So
as you can see, it's starting to get scrambled.
Okay. White here. We can just put the excess on the side. And there you go. That is your scrambled eggs. You can have this with toast or an English biscuit or something. So
thank you for watching this video. And then again, while watching this video, just make sure you have adult supervision. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Goodbye.
Bye.